Hello friends, welcome to our channel CAD/CAM Meerut, and today we will create this body with the help of revolve command, and we will use this SolidWorks 2017 to create this. So first of all, just arrange this PDF so that it will be visible properly. Okay. So we will start from this front plane. So right click over this and show the plane and go to sketch, and it will come normal to the plane. Here we will start this sketch from the origin, and most of the time we will start our sketch from the origin. So draw a line and dimension it, and this dimension is 220. So this is very simple exercise for the beginners. Okay, so this is 220, and again choose this line and draw as per the drawing, and later on we will dimension it. One more line, again one line, one more line, and skip it. Now select a circle, zoom it, draw a circle, and again another circle, and after this line we have one arc, that is 3-point arc, again 3-point arc. Now this line and this curve both are tangent with each other, so make them tangent, and here we have two arcs and both are tangent to each other, but we will dimension in first. So select this smart dimension, and this gap is 20, and this is 20 diameter. Again this line is 40, here you can see, and this circle is radius of 20 and the diameter will be 40, and the radius of this arc is 60. Okay, and the center of this arc from the horizontal line is 80. Okay, and now this radius is 12.5. Okay, now only one thing is remain, we have to make tangent for these two. Okay, and this gap is dimension it, this is 90. My sketch is fully constrained and some lines are remain, so make them for construction use, and trim for this and this. Okay, this is my sketch. Now exit and select this revolve feature, and axis of revolution is this, and click OK. Okay, so this is my actual part. If you want to apply the material or color, so go to this part and the appearance. Here we have different type of color, you can select any one of this, and okay, if you want to apply some material, so you can go here, and from the appearance and color you can choose different type of material. Okay, which type of material do you want, you can select it. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel, and if you like this, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.